In this video, I will show you how to use the modulus operator to convert seconds, time in seconds to hours, minute, and second. Go to your computer and start NetBeans because I want to show it in the Java. So start the NetBeans. And then file, new project. And I'm using the Java with Maven. You may be using Java with Ant or Gradle. That depends on your setup. Next. And I will call this Modulus project or just mod project. Finish. And depending how is your setup, you may not see these extra. And always it is better to put your name and date so that you can remember when this project was done. Written by or my name and the date written. March 8th, 2024. So the first thing you want to do is to import a utility that you can ask the user to enter the input. Import java.util, and we want to have the scanner object. And then you will go inside the main method, create an object that you can use to read the input from the user. So I will call this input. Scanner input is equal to new scanner, and you have to pass the system IO. And the system in. I'm talking or mixed up with the other system.in. And carefully, spelling should be correct. All right, so we are ready to get the input from the user. So the default setting or the default output is hello world. Enter time in seconds to display the time in hours. And seconds. So that will tell the user what is the purpose of this input and what will be the output. And then you store the input in the time variable, that is int data type. And it will ask you what type of data input is. So next integer. And now we will do three calculation. One will be cutting that, converting this into hours, integer hours equal to time divided by 3600. There are 36 seconds in 1 hour. Then integer minutes. Subtract the total time. Subtract 3600 seconds. And then divided by 60 to get how much is the minutes left. And then, so because it's integer, so all the decimal will be truncated, only the whole number by doing this calculation will become the minute. The last thing, the seconds, and that is where we will use the modulus operator. As you know, the modulus operator will give you the remainder of whatever you're dividing the number by. So the total time minus 3600, the operator is this, and you divide it by 60, and whatever is left is the seconds. Okay, so now we have got all the calculation, all the variables. Now it's just to display the time in converted time also. Okay, just print the first initial time, actual time, or time entered by the user. Time in seconds. Able to display the time. So that is the first line. The second line the time converted is equals minutes. Seconds. Okay, make sure that there is no error, there is no wiggly red sign in your project, but still you want to confirm it by using the compiler from the NetBeans. So first of all, you have to select the project, set main project, and that is the mod project. Mod project. And now you have to compile this project and see at the bottom, there should be no error messages. So build success. And now you run the project. So it's asking you to enter the time. So first of all, just to make it sure that your calculation is correct, we will put 36 seconds and should get 1 hour, 0 minute and 0 second. Try one more time. And this time we'll type 3700 seconds. So if you know that 100-second extra, so that should give you 1 hour, 1 minute and 40 seconds. There you are. So this is the easiest way to display the concept of the seconds or modulus. I'm sorry, modulus. And you can do it also convert the inches into yards and feet and any other thing that can be converted into 3 different or 4 different units. That's all. And if you will like it, we'll come back.